Hello everyone, my name is Engineer Arjun Singh. Today I am going to tell you different types of concretes depending upon their compressive strength and how they are divided, and which type of concrete is preferable and which type of concrete is used at different or at a specific location. So let's begin. Starting from M7.5, M7.5 stands for M is for a mix, M stands for mix. 7.5 is basically 7.5 Newton per mm square, which is the characteristic strength of the concrete after 28 days. Compressive strength of the concrete. Basically, this is being calculated in the lab and is being tested, and it is recommended, and it is being shown in the IS 456 code also. So in this type of mixture, basically the ratio between sand, cement and aggregate is 1:4:8. I'm just telling you an example. Different types of mixtures, as we move forward, the ratio basically decreases, and the ratio between cement, sand and aggregate is not, the difference between them is not much. So in this kind of speaking of M7.5, first bag, 1 bag of cement, 4 bags of sand, 8 bags of aggregate, and the water which is being required at the site. So this is the type of mix which is being used for very low purposes and very not for very rich purpose. Basically, this is the mix which is also being used in the foundation for PCC laying, plain cement concrete laying, M7.5 and till M10 and M15. We can go for PCC also. So moving forward, we have M10, M15, M20. Then we have M25. After that, we have M30. Now, as we move forward, basically we go for the design mix, and this has to be calculated using a different kind of method, which is being we have to follow the IS code for that. So these high strength concretes are being calculated with a very specific amount of cement, sand and aggregate, and also the water, depending upon the zones and depending upon the zones of the sand. So there are various parameters which apply for high strength concretes. So when we go for high strength, say M50 or M40 or M60 grade of concrete, where do we use it? We use this type of concrete in basically in major heavy structures and heavy columns, like in metros. In metros, you must have seen the pillars which are being which are very heavy pillars, and which they have a very huge diameter. So in this kind of structure where the load coming on the pillar is too much, so in this kind of method, we in this kind of basically pillars, we apply and we use M40, and it is also prescribed and recommended by the structural engineers to use heavy grade of concrete. But using too much heavy grade of concrete than required can also increase the cost of the structure. So we have to also look into that, and we have to focus on our economy also, as well as the safety. So thank you everyone for watching. This is for today.